Hello mga kamiranda! I'm very happy because the Global Miranda Miner Group through Coach Miranda Miner is now working together with Coins.ph in spreading meaningful blockchain crypto education in the Philippines. Tayo po ay official affiliate na po ng Coins.ph so we can further educate and hopefully onboard more users in the Coins.ph app, which is a licensed BSP licensed entity in the Philippines to allow on-ramp, off-ramp transactions, etc. Miranda. And they actually got a license for VASP or Virtual Asset Service Provider. Miranda, in this particular video, pag-usapan natin how to create your Coins.ph account. Ako, napakadali lang gumawa ng Coins.ph account and you can actually start your very first account even just for 5 pesos in your account, Miranda. So, now let's all start. 2 things na pwede mong gawin, baka pag-download ng Coins.ph, pwedeng sa mobile app or pwedeng sa website. Sa ating mobile app, you can download the Coins.ph wallet application sa inyong Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. And of course, huwag kalimutang i-download ito gamit ang ating URL link at ang ating referral code para makapag-enjoy ka ng 20% discount on eligible trading trades ninyo. Alright, pagkatapos po nito, punta ngayon tayo sa ating interface. Pagka-install natin, we're going to use the following instructions below. Number 1, open the application and click Create Account. You may use your mobile number or email to register and click Use Email instead at the bottom for your email. After entering your mobile number or email address and preferred password, click Create Account. Important, Miranda, when choosing your password, remember to use a unique password composed of at least 1 number, symbol, or a minimum of 9 characters with capital and lowercase letters. Pag mong gamitin ang password na ginamit mo na sa ibang website para meron tayong security. And then you will see the verification screen. Click either your SMS or email message depending on whether you sign up using your mobile or email, or a message from Coins.ph with your verification code. Kunin ang verification code and this will be automatically accepted if correct. And that's it, Miranda. You've successfully created your first Coins.ph account over mobile. Ngayon, kung kayo naman ay website-based, click nyo po ang link na ito, ang ating referral link or the QR code to get started. Enter your mobile number or email address and the preferred password, then click Create Account. You will see the verification screen, either your SMS or email messages depending on whether you sign up over mobile or email tulad nung kanina. For a message from Coins.ph for your verification, copy-paste lang ito with the verification code to the page, then click Verify button. Choose the type of account you want to maintain, personal or business. Kapag ito ay sarili mo lamang, use personal account, pero kung ito ay for business account, then click on the business account button. Pagkatapos nito, you're going to complete your personal information katulad ng first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Pagkatapos nito, yun na, you can already start buying your load, paying your bills, and converting crypto and more. More educational videos, Miranda, for all of you, at maraming salamat po, and I love you 3,000.